Hey peeps. I've got some HEKO little wind deflectors. They're really useful. Dead easy to fit, and what they do is they give you the ability to be able to crack your window a little bit, perhaps put an electric cable in, and also to let some of the condensation out of the truck when you're sleeping in it overnight and stop the rain from coming down. So if you just have a little crack there, crack that window just a little bit, fantastic. So you've got sticky pads on these bad boys, one there and one there, and what you've got to do is clean up inside the trench of the window here, and then peel these stickers off, fit this in place, and then pop these little clips in place. Really easy. Show you how. Getting the labels off was the hardest bit. So insert this end first, and then bend it down so that this end fits in. Okay, once that's done, take your little clips, and you'll notice that one side has got a small divot on it. That's the side that you want to engage with the cloth side of the little trough here. And these poke up into the window like that, and the window itself will go up in here. And then close your window.